U.S. military has sent Terminal High Altitude Air Defense Ballistic Missile Defense System, or THAAD, to Israel for an exercise. This is the first time America has deployed a full THAAD system to Israel, which includes the interceptors as well as other supporting components. Juniper Cobra, annual drill between U.S. and Israel, simulate the rapid transfer of missile defense systems into Israel every year. But till now, an actual system was not transferred. America's European Command stated in an official press release that the deployment took place in early March. This comes at a time when both U.S. and Israel are getting increasingly conscious of Iran's ballistic missile programs. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes THAAD deployment by the U.S. in Israel. Let's get started. Israel faces different kinds of threats. This includes unguided artillery rockets launched from different parties like the regime of Syrian dictator Bashar al-Assad, Iranian-backed forces in Syria, and the Lebanese militant group Hezbollah. But the major concern is Iran's ballistic missile arsenal, which is getting more and more sophisticated with each passing day, and the number of missiles at their disposal is also increasing. The deployment of THAAD in Israel was part of Dynamic Force Employment concept and is aligned to Missile Defense Review. U.S. military's latest Missile Defense Review, which was published by the Pentagon in January 2019, called for enhancement in cooperation with regional allies such as Israel. The Missile Defense Review stated, "One of Iran's primary tools of coercion and force projection is its missile arsenal, which is characterized by increasing numbers, as well as increases in accuracy, range, and lethality." The Missile Defense Review noted further, "The United States will sustain its strong missile defense partnership with Israel, underpinned by a new U.S. Israel Memorandum of Understanding (MOU). Taking advantage of various opportunities to conduct bilateral exercises, the United States and Israel continue to improve their capability to cooperate operationally to address offensive missile threats in the region." The Dynamic Force Employment exercise is designed to evaluate the logistic and technical challenges of transporting a system like THAAD to Israel, setting it up and integrating it with air defenses of Israel Defense Forces. THAAD, if deployed to Israel, will be configured to augment Israel's own layered missile defense capabilities that include systems like Iron Dome. Terminal High Altitude Area Defense is a United States Army anti-ballistic missile system, which is designed to shoot down short, medium, and intermediate range ballistic missiles in their terminal phase. The THAAD system is being designed, built, and integrated by Lockheed Martin Space Systems, acting as prime contractor. Key subcontractors include Raytheon, Boeing, Aerojet, Honeywell, and BAE Systems, to name a few. THAAD is strictly a ballistic missile defense system and is not designed for general air defense duties like defense against aircraft. It is considered to be one of the best when it comes to ballistic missile defense system, having been designed from the ground up for this purpose. The THAAD missiles are guided by the Raytheon Systems ANTPY-2 ground-based radar (GBR). THAAD can also be cued by military satellites such as Brilliant Eyes. The interceptor missile is around 6 meters in length and is equipped with a single-stage solid-fuel rocket motor with thrust vectoring. The missile has a speed of 8.24 Mach, or about 2.8 kilometers per second. The guidance system is indium antimonide imaging, coupled with infrared seeker head. It has an operational range of 200 kilometers and a flight altitude of 150 kilometers. The missile has no explosives and uses hit-to-kill approach. It has a kinetic kill vehicle to knock out incoming missiles. A THAAD battery can include up to 9 transporter erector launchers, each carrying 8 interceptors for immediate launch. Apart from that, it has a mobile fire control and command center as well as supporting equipment, which includes additional interceptors that would be available to reload the launchers when the first batch is used up. The exercise demonstrates the solid ground on which U.S. and Israel relationship stands. Deployment of a total THAAD package in Israel is a clear signal to countries, especially Iran. This indicates that in case Israel faces a threat from ballistic missiles, America will send THAAD to Israel and the U.S. military will be ready for such a tactical maneuver. We could see that this kind of exercise is undertaken more often to streamline the logistics and other tactical aspects. On a more broader roadmap, it's easy to predict that Trump administration will be actively pursuing advancement in air defenses to meet the ever-growing challenges.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.